Welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss 30 exit exam questions of security training for seafarers with designated security duties. If you like our content, then please subscribe to our channel and also press bell icon to receive notification once we upload any sort of video on our channel. Thank you. Question 1. Which of the following equipment are parts of cybersecurity? Option A, meteorological equipment. Option B, precision equipment. Option C, integrated bridge system. And option D, SOPEP equipment. Answer will be C, integrated bridge system. Question 2. Which of the below spaces in galley and dry stores are least vulnerable for smuggling of drugs and contraband? Option A, in the galley first aid box. Option B, in the floor bins. Option C, under or behind standard refrigerators. Option D, inside fish or sides of beef in freezer. Answer will be A, in the galley first aid box. Question 3. Can port facility deny entry to ship from other country if it does not comply ISPS code? Option A, yes. Option B, no. Option C, never. Option D, sometimes. Answer will be A, yes. Question 4. We shall request for completion of DOS in following case. Option A, when ship and port are on same security level. Option B, when the ship and other ship it is interfacing with are on same security level. Option C, there has been a safety incident on board. Option D, there has been a security threat to the port or the ship it is interfacing with. Answer will be D, there has been a security threat to the port or other ship it is interfacing with. Question 5. Before hiding in the safe house or citadel, we shall option A, inform the pirates. B, inform the owners. C, inform the CSO. And option D, stop the generator and do blackout. Answer will be C, inform the CSO. Question 6. An ISS certificate can be issued or endorsed by option A, class surveyor. Option B, port state surveyor. Option C, cargo surveyor. And option D, flag state. Answer will be D, flag state. Question 7. The dash under the ISPS code describe the current scenario related to the security threat to the country and its coastal region, including the ships visiting that country. Option A, exchange rate. Option B, GDP. Option C, daily news channel. Option D, security levels. Answer will be D, security levels. Question 8. The SSP is a controlled confidential. Option A, true. Option B, false. Answer will be A, true. Question 9. Does CSO require to maintain the records of maintenance or calibration of security equipment? Option A, true. Option B, false. Answer will be A, true. Question 10. The security drill can be conducted. Option A, on phone call. Option B, on email. Option C, as a circular to all. And option D, as a combination with other exercises held such as search and rescue exercise. Answer will be D, as a combination with other exercises held such as search and rescue exercise. Question 11. The SSA report shall consist of following. Option A, the summary of how the assessment was conducted. Option B, the summary of port activities. Option C, the summary of crew behavior. Option D, the summary of cargo operation. Answer will be A, the summary of how the assessment was conducted. Next question. Question 12. The on-scene security survey shall fulfill the following function. Option A, identify the nationality of the crew. Option B, identifying the ship's navigation efficiency. Option C, identifying the ship's engine performance. Option D, Identification of likelihood of occurrence of possible threats to key ship operations. Answer will be D. Identification of likelihood of occurrence of possible threats to key ship operations. Next question. Question 13. Who is responsible for submitting the security plan for approval? Option A, Master. Option B, SSO. Option C, CSO. And option D, CEO. Answer will be C, CSO. Question 14. Who is responsible for submission of ship security plan for approval? Option A, Master. Option B, Port Security Officer. Option C, Ship Security Officer. And option D, Company Security Officer. Answer will be D, Company Security Officer. Question 15. CSO shall have the knowledge of and receiving training in following. Option A, Safety Administration. Option B, Security Administration. Option C, Ships Administration. And option D, Shore Administration. Answer will be B, Security Administration. Question 16. Which of the following are possible restricted areas? Option A, bridge. Option B, engine room. Option C, radio room. And option D, all of the above. Answer will be all of the above. Question 17. Can the port be at a lower security level than the ship? Option A, true. Option B, false. Answer will be A, true. Question 18. ISPS code is mandatory for. Option A, for sailing ships. Option B, offshore installation. Option C, both above. And option D, none of the above. Answer will be C, both above. Question 19. What is the operation limitation of a security equipment like weld locks? Option A, the weld locks can be seen. Option B, the weld locks can be cut open. Option C, the weld locks can rust. Option D, the weld locks look bad. Answer will be B, the weld locks can be cut open. Question 20. The ship security assessment must include the following. Option A, the perceived threat to ship and the consequences of an incident. Option B, the port sea visits. Option C, the cargo sea carries. Option D, the nationality of the crew on board. Answer will be A, the perceived threat to ship and the consequences of an incident. Question 21. The RSO can do the following for company or port. Option A, security communication. Option B, review the security plan. Option C, communication during security incident. Option D, change security level. Answer will be B, review the security plan. Question 22. What is the first thing we must do once the pirates board the vessel? Option A, we shall shout at them. Option B, we shall hide. Option C, we shall stop the engine. And option D, we shall press the SSAS. Answer will be D, we shall press the SSAS. Question 23. What is the best defense against the pirate? Option A, do not go to pirate affected area. Option B, do not allow pirates to board the vessel. Option C, do not talk to pirates. Option D, do not look at pirate boats. Answer will be B, do not allow pirates to board vessel. Question 24. What do we do with the deficiencies identified during the drill? Option A, we inform the CSO and wait for his advice. Option B, we inform the master, he advises what to do. Option C, we inform the chief officer and he makes the correction. Option D, we discuss, identify the corrections, implement them and record them. Answer will be B, we inform the master, he advises what to do. Next question. Question 25. What does the CSR contain? Option A, CSR contains the safety record of the ship. Option B, CSR contain the security record of the ship. Option C, CSR contain the history of the ship. Option D, CSR contain sailing record of the ship. Answer will be C, CSR contain history of the ship. Question 26. Which of the following does not pose potential security risk? Option A, unplanned visit of the port personnel. Option B, persons aboard craft posing as seafarers in distress to attract assistance from ship. Option C, out of the ordinary phone call. Option C, package drop-offs and attempted drop-offs. Answer will be A, unplanned visit of the port personnel. Question 27. Which of the following pose potential security risk? Option A, unplanned visit of the port personnel. Option B, unplanned inspection of the ship by the port state control. Option C, unplanned visit by office staff. Option D, emails attempting to obtain information regarding the vessel. Answer will be D, emails attempting to obtain information regarding the vessel. Question 28. The crew is required to know. Option A, location and use of emergency equipment. Option B, casualty handling. Option C, being aware not to use elevator in emergency. Option D, all of the above. So answer will be D, all of the above. Question 29. Maritime security measures does not apply to. Option A, offshore activities. Option B, territorial sea. Option C, EEZ. And option D, continental shelf. Answer will be C, EEZ. Question 30. Most vulnerable place in cabin where we can find hidden drugs and contrabands. Option A, in cupboards or drawers. Option B, in life jacket compartment. Option C, inside rolled socks and spare socks. Option D, in shower cubicle. Answer will be C, inside rolled socks and spare socks. Thank you for watching this video.